Hey everyone, this is a typical example of a Jiro Hanbaiki, which is a vending machine. One of the first things that you notice is there are not a lot of sodas. There are a lot of coffees and teas and just a couple options for sodas. Here's another example where the soft drink options are only orange soda and cider. So in this close-up you can see a drink called Pocari Sweat, which is a really popular Gatorade-like drink, really popular in the summer. This top row with the red labels that say Atakai, the drinks are hot, so you have the options of cold or hot drinks. This is a cigarette vending machine. You find these a lot around here as well. When compared to the United States, the prices are pretty reasonable. They're about 410 yen for a pack of, I believe, 20 cigarettes. American cigarettes are popular here as well. And it looks like, if you notice the buttons that are red, that means they've been sold out. So it looks like menthol's pretty popular. This is a beer vending machine, so you can choose from any kind of beer, including non-alcoholic beer, and below you'll see some other options for chuhai and sake as well. This particular machine actually allows you to buy a liter of sake. Here's a close-up with some of the prices. The small glass down there below on the right-hand side with the orange label is a 1 cup of sake, then you have a couple beers, and then you have chuhai, which are shochu, which is a strong liquor mixed with fruit juice. This is one of my favorite vending machines. It's an egg vending machine. So for 200 yen you can get yourself a bag of eggs, and you can even choose different sizes between small, medium, or large. And for my last vending machine, this is a rice vending machine. You can purchase 5 or 10 kilogram bags of rice. And this is how you do it. You put your money in, then you make your selection, and out comes the rice. Thanks for watching.